Yeah, that's fine. All right, I appreciate it. You have a great day. All right, take care. Hey, yo, what up? Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor, and if you didn't know, now you know. Yo, I'm here to tell you guys something. I got a mad shout out today. Yeah, I had a teacher out of Houston, Texas reach out to me. Ronnie at Mayde High School. Yeah, that's right. I'm speaking to your students in the room. Where the welders at? Stand up, pick that torch up, and carry it high. That's right. Now I'm gonna pump you guys up, and I'm gonna tell you the real deal. I'll tell you what it is. You got this teacher, Ronnie, man, and he believes in you. You know, he's been pushing you, he's been training you, he's preparing you for this exact moment. And it's your time to deliver. You're not just walking into a competition tomorrow, guys. You're walking into a product of every early morning, every late night, every weld you practice under Ronnie's watch. That's right. And you've been sharpened, you've been tested and hardened for this moment. And so when you step up, I want you to remember, trust the training, block out the noise, focus on the torch, your past, your work. Nobody outworks Mayde High School. Nobody. Nobody outgrinds Ronnie's Welders. Nobody. Yeah, this is your shot. Make it your shot. Make it your school proud of you. That's right, guys. Make everybody proud of you, but most of all, be proud of yourself. Let's go, Mayde Welders. Where you at? Light it up and bring it home. That's right, guys. I'm Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor, and I'm just here to preach to you guys and tell you guys something that I only wish I had. I wish I had a teacher to see the potential in me. I wish I had a teacher to take me under his wing and guide me. I wish I had a teacher to mold me when I was back in high school. So you're ahead of the game, my guys. That's right. You are. You're ahead of the game. Boom. I just noticed that. I'll wear the crown. I'll wear the crown. I'll only wear the crown for you guys, though. I don't wear it for anybody else. I want to tell you guys that I believe in you. And even though you're training at the Mayde High School and you got Ronnie educating you, he is a vessel, guys, and you need to use that vessel. You need to take heed what he's saying and listen and pay attention, because if he sees the spark in you, it's real. Now, he showed me a coupon of one of the weld passes from one of the students, and it's phenomenal. And I see he sees it in you guys. And the student that he sent to me, the picture of the students at work, he'll probably pull you aside and tell you that he did that. And if he doesn't, let me let you know something. I see the skill in you. You have more skill as a high school student than I had when I was that age. And you can pass me up, guys. And it's all about how much you're going to put into your life and how much you're going to develop the skill. So I encourage you guys to keep developing the skill. Keep running pass after pass like we don't get there. It's called hood time. Put that hood on. You don't get enough hood time, I feel like. And especially in high schools, you might not get a hood time. So if Ronnie's giving you hood time, take it. If you're going home and you're putting the hood down, it's hood time. Take it. Take it all in and embrace it. And no matter what happens in the competition, be proud that you stepped up and you did what you had to do. You know, we don't always get this opportunity and these shots in life, so when you get it, take it, guys, and run with it. Take the torch and run high with it. You're only going to live once, and there's no do-overs, guys. That's what my dad's always taught me. There's no do-overs in life. So go out there and get it, and give it all you got, man. I care about you guys. That's why I wanted to make a message for the Mayde High School. Bow! In Houston, Texas, what's up? Raise the roof for those welders, because they're about to step into this competition and they're about to take it by storm, man. And I believe in you guys. I believe in each and every one of these welders in these high schools, and these teachers reaching out to me, and I want to do more of this, guys. I want to reach these high schools. So thank you, Ronnie. You and I are sparking this spark right now, Ronnie, to try and reach all these schools across America and across the world. But it only starts with you guys. Spread the message. Tell people about me. We be teaching this summer. I got a block schedule this summer because I want to train and I want to teach. I want to educate, guys. God's calling me to this. Oh yeah, I said it. But that's my calling. My calling is to teach and to educate. And I truly believe that it comes from a higher power than me. You think I just developed these skills and these gifts just out of thin air? Maybe I did, but I truly don't believe that. I believe I was blessed with them. And you are probably blessed with the same skill and techniques, guys. That's right. So, mad shout out to Mayde High School. Mad shout out to Ronnie. I hope you welders do great in the competition, and I can't wait to hear about how it went down. And I hope for the future students that will be seeing this video, I hope that maybe you can reach out to me as well. Not everybody's probably going to get a shout out. Ronnie and I just decided to start doing this, and we're going to run with it. And yeah, I hope to see the flood of the high schools coming in, but if not, no big deal, man. Hey, it's raining. I got to run, guys. I hope you have a great competition. Mad shout out to Mayde High School. Mad shout out to Ronnie. I ain't got much more to say, but be real. Don't be fake. Carry a steel and do whatever it takes.